Like, this is one of the biggest virus. I can't make it sound sexy enough, but this is why we have a decline of birth, because the quality of men has dramatically died. I've been on the ground where I listen to my younger cousins and younger brothers who goes online from like, TikTok, all the way from 11 till 4 in the morning, just talking to girl online. And then it's like, it almost become their go-to, like, like, this is why the perf is dramatically dropping. Because then you can go down, all right, the ladies. The men are like that because the girls still give up the pussy, lad. Our culture is not enough to teach and counter social media influences and the spread. So what's happening now is the kids are running wild, and there's not enough strong adults where we can shape the young men so that, the women feel safe enough to start families, not just having kids. Because having kids is just having sex.